Hello everyone. This is the last video of the 8-part series for LaTeX and Overleaf. So I think this is one of the most important ones that I've covered so far. Here I'm going to cover how exactly you are going to actually get a template, get the appropriate LaTeX template for the particular place you are trying to submit your document for. Okay. So before I have actually shown you how to make a project from blank project, right? If you remember that we actually did a new project, then blank project. That is what we were doing, but that is not feasible most of the time. For example, suppose you want to submit a paper in the AAA conference, right? So AAA has some strict requirements about how you should actually format your paper. So now what you can do is you can manually do those by opening an empty LaTeX document, but that is not something I would recommend. So what you should first do is you should first search. You should do a simple search, AAA Overleaf template, right? So there you go. We have found out the template. Let's go here. So if you just click on open as template, let's see what happens. Okay, it is now open. Let me cross it. Let me now cross it, and let me do a refresh right here. So if I do a refresh right here, you can see that the AAA LaTeX template is here. Actually, I have another one right here, so it is appearing as one. So let me open this. If you open this, you can see that there is this nice format that you can see here. That you have the double column format and everything. Everything is now formatted according to your requirement. You just need to add new packages as you write the document. You need to add your title, add the other names. You need to modify the text, like insert figures and other things if you require. So it's extremely convenient. You don't have to do anything. The font size and everything are already well set. So remember that in these types of document, never change or like modify or like delete these documents. So STY and BST. So BST is actually the style file for the references, as I mentioned before. So you can okay, there is no reference here, by the way, but I mean, let me see if I can show you some. So see, you have some references in this document right here. So most conferences and journals have some particular rules of how they want those references to be. So if you just simply follow, if you just simply keep these things intact and then do the referencing, then that should be good enough. Okay, you should be able to get the correct reference style, and you don't have to really do anything. That's the thing. So that is the first thing. So let me show you another one actually. So let me delete this. And this was for a particular conference. So suppose we want to submit in some journal which is under the Oxford publishers. So Oxford Bioinformatics journal maybe. So let's search here Oxford Bioinformatics Overleaf template. So okay, I have the template here. So in the same way, you can click here and open it, and you will see some document which is like this. The style files and everything are already here. So it's very simple. It's just very simple. Now the main question is, what if the template is not really available in the internet? So what if there is no template available? Then how do you actually do this easily? So actually there are many journals where there is no template available. For example, let me give an example. Suppose there is a journal called Expert Systems and Applications. I'll just give you an example here. So suppose if you search this, let me see if there is anything available here. Okay, I think it's not available. So in that case, what you can do is you can see under which publisher the journal is of. So the publisher name is Elsevier. So you can just search the journal, the template for Elsevier. So let me see Elsevier Overleaf template. So most definitely, if you search by the journal, the journal publisher, the publisher is a very big umbrella under which many journals are there. So then definitely we are going to find a Overleaf template. I mean, I haven't had any occasion where I could not find an Overleaf template for a publisher. Okay, so make sure to do that. Another way which you can do is you can just manually find the appropriate template for your submission venue. So let me show you how you can do that. So you can go here and you can see that in the new project, we can actually go for templates. So suppose we are trying to write or submit a paper for journal. So let me click in the journal right here. So you can see that there are many options to choose from. You can choose any option you like. Just scroll down and see which template actually matches the most with the template that the particular journal is expecting, right? So that is how you can do this. So finally, let me talk a bit about the collaboration. So you can collaborate using Overleaf. For example, let me go here. For example, in this mini project, there is a guy called Foodie who is collaborating with me. Again, in this project, there is a guy called Natarajan who is collaborating with me. So he's basically the owner. I mean, this is the owner of the document, and he has shared it with me, and I can also edit the document. So let me actually show you how it is done. So this is a document. This is a project which I am actually the owner of. I am the owner of this project. So how can I actually share it with someone? So there is the share button. Click on it here. So what you can do is you can add people and you can give them edit permission, or you can just give them view permission if you don't want them to edit, or you can share the editable link as well with them. Both is okay. That is how you can collaborate. Thank you everyone. Thanks.